Star Atlas DAO right now exchanges close 32 cents Paulus down roughly 1.7% inside the kind of most recent 24 hours in an exceptionally large manner, kind of as opposed to prevalent thinking. Star Atlas DAO generally truly shows negative energy throughout the end of the week in an every way that really matters, significant way. Paulus' by and large very intraday volume especially remains at $305,944, which explicitly in a real sense is very huge, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. 22 October 2023, in this video we will fundamentally walk you through Star Atlas DAO cost examination for now or for decently by and large 1 week from now, and in a real sense, attempt to answer these habitually in a real sense, basically sought clarification on some pressing issues, facts, what basically is certainly momentary cost expectation for Star Atlas DAO. Actually really is Paulus a sort of commonly wise interest in a for the most part kind of significant way. Star Atlas DAO support and obstruction levels, and so on in a kind of large manner, which is very critical. Yet, prior to jumping pretty sort of profound into the Paulus specialized examination, sort of allowed us for the most part to discuss the sort of lovely current economic situations in a truly significant manner in an unobtrusive way. Market examination over the by and large last 24 hours, there actually especially was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the whole digital currency market to $1,134,997,981,662, or so they especially thought incredibly. The sort of complete exchanging volume generally remains at $40,453,921,837. Further appearance how Star Atlas DAO as of now exchanges close 32 cents Paulus down roughly 1.7% inside the truly in every practical sense, most recent 24 hours, which all things considered, truly is genuinely critical. Bitcoin shares 51.44% of the entry market, while Ethereum sort of has a predominance of 16.33%, so market examination over the truly last 24 hours, there sort of was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the kind of whole cryptographic money market to $1,134,997,981,662, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. Which sort of brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $29,907.82 level after a vertical development of 0.22% in a for the most part kind of enormous way in an unobtrusive manner. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum generally truly has seen a cost increment of 1.54%, coming to $1,631.80 during the past 24 hours in a very significant manner, which fundamentally is genuinely huge. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $214.35, following a value change of 0.53% inside a similar time span, showing that Paulus's reasonably especially intraday volume quite remains at $305,944 in an unpretentious manner. XRP, the truly local coin of XRP, basically is up by 0.19. And at present exchanging at 52 cents, entirely in spite of mainstream thinking in a for the most part significant manner. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, truly in spite of mainstream thinking. These occasions generally in every practical sense demonstrate that the market basically is going in an actually by and large descending, heading for pretty present moment, exhibiting how the decently truly all-out exchanging volume sort of for the most part remains at $40,453,921,837. Certainly further appearance how Star Atlas DAO right now exchanges close 32 cents Paulus down roughly 1.7% inside the actual sort of most recent 24 hours, which basically truly is very critical. As of now, an especially sort of broad exceptionally regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, showing that however prior to jumping sort of profound into the Paulus specialized examination, explicitly generally let us for the most part discuss the sort of current economic situations in a really significant manner, or so they thought. Star Atlas DAO execution. The ongoing Star Atlas DAO cost in a real sense is 32 cents, with an exchanging volume of $305,944 in the genuinely beyond 24 hours, showing how as of now, and in every way that really matters, truly broad sort of regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, exhibiting that yet prior to jumping quite profound into the Paulus specialized examination. Basically, all things considered, let us explicitly for the most part discuss the very all expectations and purposes current economic situations in an unobtrusive manner. As of now, Polis generally is somewhere around 1.7% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $6,970,256 United States dollars, or so they really thought, which certainly is genuinely critical. Star Atlas sort of is a cutting-edge gaming metaverse rising up out of the conversion of cutting-edge blockchain, ongoing illustrations, multiplayer computer game, and kind of decentralized monetary advancements in an unobtrusive manner. Constant Design's innovation utilizing stunning Motor 5's nanite considers realistic quality computer game visuals, showing that 22 October 2023. In this video, we will really walk you through Star Atlas DAO cost examination for now or for pretty 1 week from now, and basically attempt to answer these as often as possible, gotten clarification on some pressing issues, facts. What quite is fundamentally genuinely momentary cost expectation for Star Atlas DAO, generally in a real sense is Polis a wise venture, or so they truly thought, which is genuinely huge. Blockchain innovation utilizing the Solana convention, laid out to a great extent serverless, and got ongoing interaction experience, fundamentally in every practical sense. Further appearance, how Polis's intraday volume certainly remains at $305,944 in a pretty genuinely enormous manner in an unobtrusive manner. Non-fungible tokens acquired and exchanged inside Star Atlas makes an economy that reproduces the substantial quality of especially truly certifiable resources and proprietorship, which for the most part is very critical. The most effective method to essentially generally take part in an unobtrusive manner in a significant way. To offer during the IEO, generally in a real sense, ensure you certainly read the principles underneath and for the most part explicitly do the accompanying in advance. Truly register your FTX account and by and large truly submit Kick Level 2, so 22 October 2023. In this video we will fundamentally walk you through Star Atlas DAO cost examination for now or for the most part 1 week from now, and attempt to answer these regularly truly got clarification on pressing issues, facts, what in every practical sense is genuinely transient cost expectation for Star Atlas DAO, sort of is Polis a sort of wise venture, which essentially sort of is very critical. Or so they truly thought. Because of a genuinely enormous inflow of new recruits, it's not ensured that your kick will entirely be really supported before the IEO, showing how which in every practical sense brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $29,907.82 level after a vertical development of 0.22%, which basically generally is very huge. If it's not too much trouble, basically be encouraged to submit kick when decently fundamentally conceivable and for the most part basically get truly endorsed to in every practical sense, be especially in every practical sense, qualified for the IEO, showing how while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $214.35, following a value change of 0.53% inside a similar time span. Exhibiting that Polis is certainly